Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's buddy-Anila. And I'm really sorry guys, I was not feeling well, so I couldn't upload any videos for these 5 days. And now I'm back with a great DIY tip. Today we'll see how to make butter paper at home. Butter papers are used for baking cakes, cookies, pastries and many more. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Ingredients required: a simple plain A4 sheet and some oil. If you have oiling brush, then use it, otherwise you can use your clean fingers. Do let me know what you think about it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First we'll take an A4 sheet. Here I am taking 2 more. Totally 3 sheets we'll need for making a butter paper. Take some oil in your finger, spread it all over. You have to spread it evenly in all the corners. Take one sheet and put it down and put the butter paper above it and grease it well with oil. So as you are putting oil, you can notice that it is turning transparent, and this is how the butter paper looks. You are not needed to spread the oil both the sides, one side is enough. After applying oil all over the sheet, put one more A4 sheet above the greased paper and press it well. Now take a clean cloth and press the paper well from all the sides. It's done. Now let's remove the above sheet and see our butter paper. It's very buddy. We can use it for baking cakes, cookies and many more. If you find this video useful, please hit that like button. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. You can use this butter paper in your baking tray or in any container which you can use for baking. Thanks for watching.